In this video, we're going to be working out an individual derivative. It is going to involve product rule because right there we have a product. It's also going to involve a chain because we have an inside function and then the outside function of something being raised to the fourth power. All right, so let's go ahead and start. We're going to have a y prime is equal to, I'm going to do product rule first, so first term, x to the third, and then times the derivative of the second term, so d dx, 2x minus 5 to the fourth. And then we're going to be adding to that the second term, which is 2x minus 5 to the fourth, and then times that derivative of the first term, so d dx of x to the third. All right, in the second line, we'll actually take those derivatives, so y prime is equal to x to the third. All right, now this is going to be a chain, so I'm going to do power rule first for the derivative, leaving the inside alone, and then taking the derivative of that inside. So we'll pull the 4 down in front. We're going to leave the inside alone, 2x minus 5. Remember to subtract 1 from the exponent, and then with the chain, times d dx of that inside function 2x minus 5. All right, adding then this first term will be left alone, 2x minus 5 to the fourth. And then the derivative there is just a nice little 3x squared. One more line to complete the derivative right here. So we've got y prime is equal to x to the third times 4 times the quantity 2x minus 5 to the third. Derivative in here is just going to be a 2. Rewriting everything here, we'll have that 2x minus 5 to the fourth, and then times that 3x squared. All right, now at this point, all of this is one term because everything there has multiplication signs between it. Your plus sign right here is subtracting, is differentiating between your two terms. All of this is one term because, again, everything over here is being multiplied. So what I want to do at this point is probably clean up those two terms and then take out a greatest common factor. So I'm going to have a y prime here. I'm going to have 2 times 4, which is 8, with the x to the third in front. So an 8x to the third, and then that binomial term, 2x minus 5 to the third power. Cleaning up this term, about the only thing I'm going to do here is just put that 3x squared in front. So I'll have a 3x squared, and again, we'll have the 2x minus 5 to the fourth power. All right, now, keeping in mind, I still do have just two terms. I've cleaned that up. I've cleaned that up, two terms separated by that plus sign. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take out the greatest common factor. I can take out an x squared out of both of them. So I'll have an x squared coming out. This has a 2x minus 5 to the third. This has a 2x minus 5 to the fourth, which means I can take 3 of those binomials out. So a 2x minus 5 to the third power is coming out. I am going to switch to square brackets here. All right, now out of this first term, if I've taken out x squared, I'm going to have an 8x left over. I've taken all of that binomial out, so the binomial to the third has come out. I'll have my plus sign. I've taken out the x squared. I will still have the 3. As far as this binomial goes, I've taken out 3 of them. I will have 1 left, so a 2x minus a 5. Squaring off that bracket there. Now, the only thing I'm going to do in here is I'm going to distribute and then combine some like terms. So y prime is equal to x squared, 2x minus 5 to the third. Going to keep those square brackets for just a little bit longer. 8x, distributing there, we'll have a 6x and a minus 15. Last thing that I'm going to be able to do then is combine some like terms right here. And you can either keep the square brackets or turn them back into curvy brackets, either one that you would like to do. So y prime is equal to an x squared. We'll have the 2x minus 5 to the third. Combining those two, we'll have a 14x and then minus 15. So that is definitely going all the way down, putting that answer in a factored form. Couple chain rules in there along with the product rule, but pretty much a straightforward derivative that you would find in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.